Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xbox error code 0x8007023f. This error occurs when users try to make a purchase from the Xbox store. Players have reported that whenever they attempt to buy something, the system throws up the error and the purchase cannot be completed. According to our research, this error is most likely related to a system glitch, network issues, or an Xbox Live service disruption. The first thing you should try is to power cycle your Xbox console. To do this, turn off your Xbox completely and unplug it from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. After that, try making the purchase again. If the error still comes, then next, visit the Xbox Live status page. Simply go to support.xbox.com/n-in/xbox-live-status and check if there are any known issues with purchases or billing. If there is a service outage, you may need to wait till it's resolved. If the error still comes, then power cycle your network. Simply turn off your router and unplug it from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes, then restart it and check if the error still appears. If the error still comes, then check if your console needs an update. Simply go to Settings, then select System and choose Updates. If there is any pending update, install it and see if the issue gets resolved. At last, if nothing works, then you should contact Microsoft support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.